Okay, part 6 of Jackie's writing desk out of curly maple and purple heart. We have got quite a bit done in the last couple of days. Some of it was going backwards to going forwards again, and I'll tell you about that now. One of the things I did on this design was trying to make everything as light and delicate looking as possible, but still be strong. And the thing I was trying to do with this cabinet was to have the front beams to be only a ½ inch thick. And so there's just a ½ inch thick rails up front. Carry that load on the front though, this H box is supposed to be attached into the back rail, and it is essentially cantilevers that and scissors that load out. So mistake number one that I made was when I did the glue up. I glued this thing up, I didn't put this thing in correctly. It was actually tilting down to cause the front rails to tilt down 5/16 of an inch. So I had to cut out some of the stuff that I put in here so I can pull this out, reposition it, glue it back in, and now it works. But I still have another problem. Even with this thing scissoring its load from the back, there's still too much deflection off the front, which if I wasn't doing a split top desk, it wouldn't be a problem. But it is. And I still have too much flexing going on. But I have a solution, of course. And it comes from the shape of, pretty good beefy piece of steel. This is ½ inch thick, 3 inches wide. That piece is 42 inches long. It's a good 30 pounds, if not more. And it's gonna go in here and you'll feel it, but you'll have to look for it to find it. Where it's gonna go, right behind this piece of wood. It's gonna span the entire width. You won't see it when you open up the drawers because the drawers are gonna cover it. And it'll mount right on the underside of the H box. So when any load comes down here, it's gonna hit that piece of steel. So Jackie can stand on this desk, jump up and down on it. Probably not gonna hurt it. So what's left on this thing is gonna be install the piece of steel. Install some end caps on here, hide the mechanisms, put in the drawer glides again, finish fitting the drawers, put the drawer face on, and a heck of a lot of sanding, probably some final fiddling of pieces to make this thing look right. And then spray it with some polyurethane. And then it's done and out of here, and then I can finish my patio table. So that's it for now.